Hello friends, yesterday what we have done is we have completed our balloon. Okay, we have completed our basic structure of the balloon. Now today's class is actually from 3 p.m. but my balloon has started to deflate. Okay, like this it has started to deflate. So I thought that I'll make a video and tell you how to just take out the balloon. I think yours balloon is also started to deflate like mine. So what we'll do is before 3 p.m. you all can just see this video how I am teaching how to take out the balloon, and already keep your balloon, take out your balloon, okay, by looking at this video. So here you can see this one, my balloon has started to deflate, so it looks something like this. I have made two of them from this rope. So what you now need to do is take the back side of your pen, and just poke in your balloon slowly. Okay, slowly. When you poke in your balloon, you will see that the rope gets separated from the balloon. The rope gets separated from the balloon. Like this, you need to separate some parts of your rope from the balloon. Like from here, you can see from here the balloon is separated from the rope. In other parts also you can use your hand to separate the rope from the balloon. Just push the balloon gently, push the balloon inwards gently, and try to separate the rope from the balloon. You see, like this. Do it gently, don't try to burst the balloon now. Just try to separate the rope from the balloon. Actually, I must be teaching this at 3 p.m. today, but due to an emergency, because my balloon, it is deflating, the air is passing out from the balloon, so I need to teach it right now. If your balloon is also changing its shape, your shape is also changing, that means your balloon is also deflating. Don't wait for 3 p.m. Here I have shown how to do it. Just do it right away. तो यहाँ पे क्या किया है ना, मैंने दिखा दिया है आपको कि बैलून को दिखा रही हूँ इस वीडियो में कि बैलून को कैसे सेपरेट करना है। उससे आप 3 PM के लिए वेट नहीं कीजिए, क्योंकि 3 PM तक आपका बैलून बहुत छोटा हो चुका होगा साइज़ में, उससे हवा निकल चुकी होगी बहुत, तो वैसे में हम लोग का जो शेप है वो ख़राब हो जाएगा। इसीलिए इस वीडियो को देख के आप अभी ही ये काम कर दीजिए, वरना फिर आपका और नहीं बन पाएगा। तो 3 PM में हम लोग आज क्या करेंगे, खाली वो जो ग्लिटर लगाने का पार्ट है, व्हाट विल डू एट 3 PM इज द ग्लिटर पार्ट, वी विल कंप्लीट द ग्लिटर पार्ट ओनली. ओके, just complete this thing. You just see how I am doing it. Slowly you need to separate it from all sides. You can also use your hand to separate it. Look, from here my balloon has started to separate. Like this you need to do on your whole balloon. This same process applies for the yarn also, the wool. If you have done with wool, you can just do separate the wool like the same process I am teaching with this rope. So if your balloon doesn't, if your orb doesn't come out in shape, if it fails, you are not able to do it, So don't throw your this orb away, keep it there. At 3 p.m. I will say that if your orb gets failed, if you are not able to do this craft, what you can do with that orb. It won't go waste, okay, because it is a trial method. So there is a possibility that all of you won't be able to do it like perfectly, because this is the first time you all are doing it. So when I did it for the first time, that time my orb just got wasted and I wasn't also able to do it. Okay, so now what we will do is we will take a safety pin or any kind of pin you have. Okay, any kind of pin we will take. Slowly just poke a hole in your balloon. Just poke some hole in your balloon. Look, my balloon has started to come out from this side. Okay, just poke some holes. Your balloon will start to come out. Don't just poke it like very roughly. Slowly just poke it from some parts. Your balloon will come out. Now if you want, you can use your finger to retain the shape of your orb if your shape gets deflated. Now even if it is sticking from your balloon, just try to separate the balloon with your hands. Okay, like this, just poke many holes here and there, and slowly just try to separate your balloon with the pen process I have said earlier. Okay, so here I have taken out some parts of my balloon. What you need to do is try to maintain the shape by poking your finger and take out the balloon from inside. Okay, with your fingers just take out like this the balloons from inside. Slowly just try to do it and try to maintain the shape. Don't worry if you are not able to do it. It may be because this is the first time. This is the third time I am doing it, but still, look what is happening to my one. Okay, we will slowly take all these out. like this. What you have to do is, if you have made with the yarn, my one also it's looking something like this. Just what I have done with that one, try to do it with this one. Okay, try to separate it from the balloon and then take a needle or a safety pin and poke the balloon